Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. As always, I'm glad that you're here. I'm going to talk kind of fast because Rick is upstairs steam cleaning the floors and it sounds like there is a tornado going through the house down here, so I don't want to subject you all to that. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Let's talk about our base coat. Our base coat is Rust-Oleum Metallics, and this is the champagne color, and I mixed that with Floetrol and a little bit of water to get it to the right consistency for me. Now, a very, very sweet woman sent this to me, as well as two other containers of this paint, and I was not able to thank her because unfortunately one of them exploded and covered up the name and the shipping address, and whoever you are out there, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You just warmed my insides with your sweet little gift, and I promise to make you proud using these colors. I got a champagne and I got a pearl, and then I believe another pearl which accidentally exploded, but I'm going to utilize these, and whenever I do, I'll have a big smile on my face. So that's our base coat. And our colors today are kind of fun. I'm staying very neutral because, believe it or not, guys, I am a neutral girl. If you've seen my house, you know that. So let's talk about these colors. I've got golden iridescent pearl. And then in this container right here is a combination of golden iridescent bronze with a little bit of the iridescent pearl. So I've kind of kept all my colors together, mixed them up with each other to come up with some nice combinations. This guy right here is the iridescent bronze by itself. And this pretty cup right here is, oh, I wish you could see this. This is just so yummy, beautifully coppery, nice, good color. That's a combination of this Art Minds Brush Metallics Dark Gold and just a drop or two of the Carmine Black to richen it up. Now, my sweet friend Gail Burston from Life in Splatter sent me some paints, and Gail, I thank you for them, and I hope I make you proud when I use them. And this final color right here is really yummy. This is by Arteza, and this is the Pearl Copper Gold, and I'm down to the very end of it. I don't use a lot of Arteza paints, but I got my hands on this, and this is just a lovely pearlescent kind of copper color. So those are our colors today. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to pour them in some little cups. I'm going to layer them in some little cups, and I'm going to kind of do 3 ring pours, and then I'm going to long and stretch them, leaving a lot of negative space, because I've been playing with a lot of negative space, and it's certainly my jam. So wish me luck on this, guys. Hope you're all staying healthy and well, and as always, I'm grateful that you joined me here. Have a great day or evening of painting, guys. Oh, guys, one more thing I forgot to mention. I had an empty bottle of this Deco Art Antique Bronze. So what I did, I mixed up some of the golden iridescent bronze with a little bit of black and a little bit of the golden pearl color, and I mixed it up to make a nice rich color, and I saw the talented sweet Sandra Lett embellish a bunch of her pours. She is the embellishing queen, girlfriend. You just, Oh, I wish I could be on a fly on the wall or on your shoulder for a day or so. So I mixed it all up with some pouring medium, mixed it a little bit thick, and then poured it into this bottle and attached this little applicator, which I might use to kind of add some embellishments here and there. It's got a very fine point on it. Check out Sandra. She did a beautiful embellishment of one of Heather Mader's paintings called the Peacock. So check it out because this is fun and I'm excited to start playing with this. Thank you for that, Sandra. was kind of fun, a little daunting. My hand was shaking a little bit, but something to remember, guys, these little droplets are going to expand a little bit, so you kind of have to go easy on it. But fun colors, fun little tool, lots of potential. I am going to stare at this for a little while. I might come back to it after my hand stops cramping and do a little bit more, but fun stuff, good neutral colors. I like it, and I hope you guys do too. Let's go in for a close-up. Fun stuff, guys. Play with those paints. Now's a good time to do it. A lot of us have a little extra time on our hands, and it can be daunting, but this is my happy place. It makes me smile when I come down here, and I am beyond grateful for it. Thanks for joining me, guys. Be well, be healthy. Talk soon.